Yabona guys, I want to teach you something. Yabona la kulo mhlaba ne. Yabona ma powerful people, they will never love you. Yabona when you are capable of doing big things, people will never love you. They will get intimidated by you, even ungakhulumanga, without you talking. Your presence, yoba intimidator. Your presence, ukuthi yabona mayiso ngenile kule environment lebakiyo, bazofeel intimidated because they see how powerful you are. They know that you are capable of doing big things. They know the person that you are. That's why you'd find ukuthi people, they hate you for no reason. Without you even saying anything, you would find that for no reason, and they will start hotspotting. They will influence people to hate you. They will make sure that they talk bad about you so that people can hate you. And now sorry guys, because you have the power that you do not see within yourself. You understand? Ufana nabo Moses une power. Yeah. So vele ngebas bakuthande. So why ufuna kuthandwa wena ufana na Moses? Guys, angathi noma ngisho right, Moses vele ngithi lo bebangamthandi eBhayibhelini. Yeah, na Moses bebangamthandi. Because bekane power. You understand? So why kumele ufile ngabhlungu ukuthi yo bantu bangithandi? It's because you are powerful, my sister, my brother. Wake up. They see the power in you. From today, ngifuna uTifanise ne-abnormal. Uyayibona le track about abnormal. Ngifuna Google the biggest abnormal. Uyibona. Uyabona le track leya. And ayinabangani labaningi. Ayinabalandzeli labaningi le track. Le track amandlula, it's either most of the time utoyithola escortwa 2 yamaveni yo yetimoto. Le one phambili, le one semuva. Le phambili bakuveli abnormal. Ayitho wena ufana ne-abnormal, powerful. Le phambili, le moto phambili, ito flicker ama lights, ithi ikhombela nina nisendleleni ukuthi yey kutamnika twendlela manje kumele nidede. And bengikutshela abantu abangidlula i-abnormal ne siyadzineka sonke la ndleleni, because it's yo tosibambetela lento sijahile sifuna ke emsebenzini or sijahile sifuna ke banganini bethu, siyadzineka. So now ufana naye abnormal, powerful, and emawundlula wena kuyabonakala kuba nesinzo and understand ukuthi ngithini. So ungafeel bad, Tifanise ne-abnormal. Yeah, into ifaka la in case mawuvila pha Google uyibone le noma indlula leya ithatha 2 lane. So udonke timoto letinye kumele time ngaliceleni letinye time ngani ndlule yona. You understand? That's how big it is. So now that's how big you are. You are capable of doing big things, and people can see the light that when you don't see. So learn to understand and accept. I'm powerful. That's why people don't love me. Lamborghini Euros. Awufuna noma ngibani. Awufuna noma ngibani because you big, you massive, you malsalval. Okay? I love you so much, guys.